I'm Dr. Ruma Sinha, consultant gynecologist, laparoscopic and robotic surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. So what exactly is vaginal discharge? It is the secretion from your vagina, cervix and uterus which actually kind of does a cleansing part of your body. So this vaginal discharge is usually normal as long as it remains clear, mucoid, little sticky and can be different for different women in different phase of their life. So if you look at your vaginal discharge over the whole menstrual cycle, you'll find that sometimes the discharge is more, and that is generally around the time of ovulation, and that is because of estrogen stimulation. Sometimes the discharge can alarm you and there can be some pathology in it. Now what can these situations be? First of all, if there are three things that one should look for in a vaginal discharge that can make you understand that there is something going wrong with it. Number one, that there could be an abnormal smell. There is a little bit of smell in general, but if it's a fishy kind of smell, a smell that is overpowering your other smells, then you need to be concerned about. Second, if the discharge is associated with some kind of itching or pruritus. And the third, if this discharge is blood mixed. Any of these three factors should raise a suspicion that there could be something wrong. The commonest pathology that can happen is infective. And this infection can be either a yeast infection or a candidal infection, which is generally a curd-like or a cottage cheese-like discharge, whitish color discharge that you may face. The other, it could be a little greenish, frothy kind of discharge which is smelling. That could again indicate some kind of infection like a bacterial vaginosis or trichomoniasis. The third discharge that can be that there is intermittent discharge but there is blood mixed. If this discharge is blood mixed, you must reach a gynecologist and get yourself examined. Many times a blood discharge can be a sign of something more than an infection, and it could be an early sign of cancer. What should you do and not do if you have vaginal discharge? Number one, if the discharge is normal, physiological, don't worry about it. As I said, the amount of discharge can be different in different phase of your life. What you should do if there is any of these alarming signs is you should seek a gynecological consultation and make sure that somebody does a pelvic exam for you, looks into what kind of discharge it is and then treats appropriately. You should not self-medicate yourself. You should not just buy over-the-counter medications or ointments or creams and apply if there is a problem. You should not unnecessarily clean too much or do douching as many women do to clean the inside of vagina. The vagina also has a lot of protective mechanism, a lot of protective bacteria, which we call as lactobacillus. So over cleaning can remove these protective bacteria and cause more chance to get other infections. So remember, vaginal discharge is absolutely normal. All women have it and there is nothing to worry. Vaginal discharge does not cause weakness as the myth is there around in the society. However, if the vaginal discharge has a pathology, it should get treated, and there is treatment available for almost all types of vaginal discharge. So don't worry, keep your eyes open.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.